Hi, welcome to PDF Tips. Here's how to enhance text in a PDF file. This could be any type of file. Now you open the document and then you go onto Tools and you can search for Enhance. Like that. And you click on Open Scan and OCR. Now you'll see an Enhance here. So if you left mouse click on it, scan document, you go to Settings. Now in here, it will be set something like this. But what I want you to do is actually uncheck the optimize options. Because when you do compression, it actually reduces the quality of the text or the images. So if you want maximum quality without shrinking it, then I would uncheck apply adaptive compression. In the filters, edit, I'll do text sharpening high. By default, it'd be low or medium, but set it to high. Okay. And then recognize text as normal, which will change any image to a font text. Okay. So now just click Enhance. And that will do the current page or the whole document, depending on what is set. So now this is text searchable where it wasn't before. And the quality should be improved. And okay, you're not reducing the file size, but you're retaining the quality and improving the quality because it's changing it with fonts. If you want to reduce the size of the PDF, you click Enhance, Scan Document, and in the settings, you would turn on this option. Any settings set in here will reduce the quality of it, but by default, I would uncheck it. And that's it. Give it a try.